Yeah, I love it here in Slovenia. I was in Ljubljana for about 4 months, and I really got to know it in that short space of time, just walking along the river, grabbing an ice cream or something along those lines. Just going up to the castle sometimes at night as well was really interesting for me. So my first impression of Slovenia was probably the friendly people in the country. Just when I got out of the airport, just seeing how friendly the people are and how willing to help they are, asking for directions, they're always there to help. Yeah, so the cities in Australia are definitely a lot bigger than in Slovenia. Sydney's got about 5 million people, 4.5, as opposed to Ljubljana's 200,000. I still don't know all the parts of Sydney, so they really are at a different level. I think it's the friendships with the people I made. Just all over the world, people from Poland and Germany. Yeah, those also the parties that we had were pretty fun. So, and also some of the sites like Bled or Stockholm, when you walk into that main chamber, it's not something that you can easily forget. Yeah. In terms of Slovenian food, not really. Some of the salads, I was living with a Slovenian family, they gave me a few of the salads and the soups. I'm not used to eating soup at all. We don't have it in Australia, so that was different for me. When I went to Lake Bled, there was the Lake Bled cake, which was really sweet and impressive. I've tried the Ljubljana cake as well, which is quite nice. So, for example, snow. That's one thing that I hadn't seen before in my life. We have fake snow, but not of the kind here. Driving on the other side of the road was pretty interesting. It was the first few times. And I guess just the way of life, like wearing a scarf, something I haven't done before, or wearing a hat on top of my head, wearing a puffy jacket, just little things like that. I think it's pretty impressive. I like how it's quite laid back and relaxed here, so everyone sort of seems to get involved and it seems like a pretty pleasant atmosphere here, which is what I like about it.